How to use generative fill in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. So here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I have a landscape image on the canvas and I want to add a barn in this area here. So what I'm going to do is go to my selection tool. I'm going to draw a rough area where I want the barn to be, and I'm going to select generative fill. This is then going to let me type in a prompt where I can describe what I want to be in this area, an old red barn. I'm then going to click generate, and the AI is going to produce an image that can go here as a barn. Not too bad, eh? The fantastic feature of this is you can also toggle through alternative barn images. So if you don't like the first one that it gave you, you can go through other options that they have available. I'm going to stick with that one, I think. Okay, so next I want to add a tractor in this area here. A bright green tractor. I'm going to click generate again. And this is going to put a tractor in our image. Okay, next I want to add a little farm dog. So I'm going to add a selection here, a small farm dog. I'm then going to click generate again. Again, we can go through the options here. I think I like that one. One final thing I'm going to add to this image is some more clouds up in this area here. So I'm going to select the area, click generative fill and write in white fluffy clouds. And then I'm going to click generate. Again, we can go through these clouds to see which ones we prefer. I think I'm going to go for those clouds right there. And there we have it. We have taken this image from looking like this to looking like this by simply using the Adobe Generative Fill. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.